for me to do what needs to be done. Okay? Demo, binding, and preparation. I need to read this part. Okay, so I'm just going to keep scrolling. This one is important. Many browsers don't set scroll. Okay, that's fine. Target examples. Okay, this is all garbage. Don't need any of this.
Oh, there's our
Okay,
list.
so it's just shooting out stuff. Let me just look at what plugins I need. So apparently, I just need this and this. I just need the jQuery library and the scroll2 library. jQuery.scroll2.mn.js. Okay? So now I'm going to find a page that I can use. What did I use before? Let's just
By the
use
way,
the gallery page.
How did you, I know why you needed the library, but why'd you need the other thing?
Why do I need this?
Yeah.
What's the name of this plugin?
Oh, if it's Roll2 or?
It's called Scroll2.
Oh, Scroll2, yeah.
Okay,
Come
so I know that this is the Google API for jQuery,
on. Right,
and this is the name of the plugin. And look, it says double dot, so that means it's in my
in your root.
root folder. Okay,
Right, oh, I see.
that's relative. Okay, so I'm saying this guy says you don't need to worry about any of this. Okay, these are the only two things that I need. That's what he means here. Demo, binding, and preparation. No need to read this part. And I read it all the way through. There's nothing that needs to be done. So all I need is these two and to use that piece of code that was on that demo page when I clicked on the different stuff.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
Anybody see anything different? Okay. So there you go.
You'll actually have to do it for the,
Let's grab this and this, copy it, and I'm going to have to find, what is this index page? See what's going on. Preview in Firefox. Oh, this is that demo that I had last time. Okay, so that's the demo I used last time. Let's use this one. That way you can see what I'm talking about. Oh, okay. I've got my document ready and all that other stuff. So do I have, okay, so got my jQuery library already set. So if I have my jQuery library already set, do I need to load in another jQuery library?
no?
No, I don't. Okay. So that line is already in. So when I paste in the lines that I had before, I can just go ahead and delete this one. All right? So I just copied and pasted this code, but I don't know if that's really truly the link yet. Right? Because this is a different place. I don't know. That demo worked and that was the link for that particular one. All I need to go to make sure that this works is go and find this document wherever it lives inside here and just drag it into my page. Okay? So I'm just going to delete this code too. I'm going to go and find the one that's called Scroll2. Where is it? There it is. And just drop it in my page.
What, you dropped the,
Okay, I just grabbed it and dragged it and dropped it.
it was just that one line?
That was it. That's all I need because I already got my jQuery library loaded. And then I needed this to load the Scroll2 plugin.
Scroll2.
Okay, that's what that one was called. Now, this is going to be a little weird because I don't have a big long page. So let me just go and create some elements to make that big long page.
Okay.
I'm just going to throw in some stuff. Let's just say section. H1.
Oh.
Okay. I'm just going to pretend that this is my page. I'm going to just copy this a couple of 3-4 times. Okay, and I'm going to change my numbers, obviously. Make it feel different. also going to throw in some CSS to actually make the page long. So let's add. Make it 400 pixels tall. Okay. Okay, so let's preview this in the browser and see what we get. All right, so now I got a big long page. Okay? So let's make myself, right, the idea behind this is I need a menu to click that takes me to where I want to go, right? That's the idea behind this page. So let's make myself a nav. Oops. And let's make myself an ordered list. And let's make myself a list item with some A's inside. I had 7 sections, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right, and last but not least, let's add a selector. Oops, nope, nope. Yeah, nope. Cancel. Obviously, I'm going to redo this. Let's see, nav, li. Okay. Properties. Going to get them to sit side by side. So display, inline block, width, we're going to be less than, let's try 15, let's try 12%. Oh, that's 12%. What else? What else do we have to do? Oh, and then vertical line top, right? Text. There it is. Okay, done. All right. So let's save it and preview the browser. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Everybody happy with that? We're set up to rock. Okay. So let's go back to the demo page, and it says, okay, relative selector, what do they say, jQuery object? Okay. So top, absolute pixels. Okay. Let's just see if we can get this thing to work first, okay? So I'm just going to copy this text that it has. And I already know that my jQuery works, but I'm going to double check it and make sure that's all good. Let's reload my page again. Okay, that works. So let's see, if I put this in here, I have to say, let's see. Let's just put something in here. And obviously we know whatever goes between, what goes between these two things in jQuery? What goes between these two things?
The selector
Yeah, the selector of what though?
of the element.
Okay, good, all right. And usually best way to describe that is just plain old CSS.
CSS.
So let's see, right now we're gonna scroll to 520 pixels at 8.8 milliseconds, and let's just put a selector in there and see what happens, okay? So one of the selectors that we had, let's just do section. Okay, and see what happens.
All right.
I'm gonna save that,
Okay.
and I'm going to refresh. Okay, nothing's happening. All right, let's go back to the demo and see what's up. What does this old demo do? Okay, that doesn't work. Let's see. Ways to specify the target. Guess I'm trying to figure out exactly what that is. Let's see, let's back up. Let's look and see what's going on. Okay, relative selector. I'm not exactly sure what they're telling me to do here. Scroll to, well, let's just try this. Let's do this first and see if I can just get it to load. Load the right way. Let's do this. Oops. Can't spell today. A. We'll click on an A. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try doing this. Because we want the action to occur when we click on an A, right? So I'm setting up something really easy that just, whenever I click on an A, it's gonna tell me that I clicked. So let's refresh. Okay, so that works.